Working perfectly, Cameron?
Yes, it is.
Fantastic. You're my hero.
Good to go.
I think the culprit is this solar charger has bit the dust. Right, that's where it's going. So after, I don't know, 3 minutes of running the engines, the battery management system says I have enough. So right, 182 amps. So after half an hour of cruise motoring and an hour of engines on idle while we were waiting for the fuel berth to be free and refueling, we've got the battery state of charge back up. The alternators will be regulated down because they're being a bit warm now, but still decent output. That's the voltage of the starboard engine start battery and the port one. The lithium iron phosphate house bank lives in a locker under here. Well, it's not the tidiest, never quite enough room. The battery chargers stuff's all hanging around there, but the battery management system is there. The relay board's over here, and the big contactors are those round black things down there, one for the supply bus and one for the charging bus. Now these wires here are the taps for the cells and also temperature sensors, and the battery cables we've been charging quite high amps for the last while are just slightest warmth to the touch. Well, let's have a look at the BMS on the laptop. So we're plugged in by a RS232 to USB converter. Right, just doing some live data. It doesn't really show a lot. So the green line on top is pack amp hours. The blue line in the middle is state of charge, and the red one at the bottom is the pack voltage. We're sailing along very nicely now.